Okay, let's hope I'll get okay, this is a low on 10. Waiting. Okay, so I can make my entry now, and you can see my half signal showing up. I've already made my entry, and I hope I didn't enter at the bottom. If I enter at the bottom, I will have to wait. Okay, you see, I enter at the bottom. You see, so because I enter at the bottom now, I have to wait roughly like 2 minutes. So I'm waiting. I don't like waiting like this, so I'll have to probably pause. Okay, it's like it's going down. Okay, the trade has pulled through. All right, so that's me making $15. That's 10%. I had to do this trade on 10. So today I actually did a trade on 50 and 10. Okay, so let me show you the trades that I did. I did on 50. The first one was on 50. You can see that was like about almost an hour ago. Almost an hour. I did on 50 and then on 10. So I have to go and enter my value. But I'm quite sure I made just a minute. Where is my? Okay, let me pause. Okay, so today we made $33.23. That's what we made. So far, this is what we've made. Like this week, we've made like $63. This week, it's the ministry is moving. Okay, the ministry is moving, and I need you to understand that there is a plan. Okay, today is 8. Okay, and I've recorded today's trade. We did 10 and 50. Okay, and it was a smooth trade. Even though I entered at the bottom, it was still smooth still. So I'm supposed to make like 17,000, but so far I think it's more than 17,000. So it's slow and steady. The next thing is for me to make withdrawals. Okay, so before I make my withdrawals, I'm going to add the withdrawals from my Robux to this. So I'll be pausing and I'll be right back. Okay, I need to show you this. I made some withdrawals from my Robux to this account. I like collecting my money from one spot, not different. So right now this is the order. So I made another about $30-something. So in total I'm cashing out like $65. Okay, this is my order. So let's wait for it to be picked so that I can complete this video. Okay, my order has been picked. I've already told the person to go ahead. The person said he has already made payment, so I'm waiting for confirmation. The person has already paid. That's about 37,320 something. So she's done. So me, I'm waiting for credit alert. Okay, you can see the credit alert. So the credit has entered my account, and that's from God's power. Amen. Do so. That's 37,322,203. So does it tally? Yes. You don't confirm if you don't receive alert. Okay, you wait. Binary stands as a third party to transactions that are yet to be fulfilled. So I have received the payment, and because I have received the payment, now I can click on it and then confirm that. Okay, I think it's because I'm splitting my screen. Just a minute. Okay, I've confirmed this transaction and we are done. So I was able to, this was 7th, beginning of the week, we had $35 today, another $35. That's about another $65. That's about $100 in 2 days so far. So slow, steady. That's how you grow it up. Okay. You need to have a plan. I showed you my plan. You've seen my plan. Now, if you're interested in working with the same plan like I do, check the description of this video. You will see my Telegram channel. Join the channel. You will be able to get the template that I'm using. You'll be able to get it there. Okay. God bless you, and I'll see you another time.